Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study Python coding. Start by understanding the core basics, such as variables, data types, and basic operations. Don't rush. Take your time to grasp each concept thoroughly. Practice writing small, simple programs to apply what you've learned immediately. Many free online resources and interactive platforms offer excellent beginner-friendly lessons. Consistency is key, so dedicate a specific amount of time each day to your studies. Once you have a grasp of the basics, move on to hands-on projects. Start with small, achievable goals, like building a simple calculator or a text-based game. This practical application reinforces your knowledge and helps identify areas needing improvement. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are part of the learning process. Consider joining online communities to share your work and get valuable feedback from experienced coders. As you progress, delve into more advanced Python topics such as object-oriented programming, data structures, and algorithms. Explore popular libraries like NumPy for numerical computing or Pandas for data analysis. Understanding these will significantly expand your coding capabilities. Always refer to official documentation. It's a gold mine of information. Challenge yourself with more complex problems to continuously grow your skills. The world of Python is constantly evolving, so commit to continuous learning. Follow blogs, attend webinars, and experiment with new features. Using an integrated development environment, or IDE, like VS Code or PyCharm, can greatly enhance your coding efficiency and debugging process. Remember, consistent effort over time yields the best results in mastering any skill. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.